Is your garage door opener older than your smartphone? It's time for an upgrade. In today's video, we're breaking down the best garage door openers of the year. From ultra-quiet belt drives to smart Wi-Fi models you can control from anywhere. Whether you're on a budget or looking for the best of the best, we've got you covered. Links to everything mentioned are in the description box below. Let's dive in. Taking the top spot is the Chamberlain B6753T garage door opener. This is the most complete package on the list. A max-rated motor tackles heavy and oversized doors without breaking a sweat, while a built-in 130 degrees wide-angle camera streams live footage directly to your phone via the MyQ app, so you always know what's happening inside. Corner-to-corner LED lighting illuminates the entire space. Battery backup ensures reliability during outages, and Amazon Key support brings in garage delivery to the table. If you want one opener that genuinely does it all, the B6753T is the clear recommendation. Coming in at number 2 is the LiftMaster 6690L garage door opener. LiftMaster sits under the same parent company as Chamberlain, but represents their professional-grade lineup, and this model delivers accordingly. A 1.25 horsepower belt drive motor handles even heavy doors with ease, while a built-in 360-degree night vision camera, full LED lighting, battery backup, and MyQ connectivity round out an impressive feature set. Topping it all off is a lifetime motor and belt warranty, the best coverage in its class. For long-term reliability, this is the one professionals recommend. Number 3 is the Chamberlain RJ0101MC garage door opener. Unlike traditional ceiling-mounted units, this one installs directly on the wall beside your door. That makes it ideal for garages with high ceilings, overhead storage, or living spaces above where vibration noise is a concern. Despite its compact placement, it still connects to the MyQ app for remote access and includes battery backup to keep things running during power outages. The result is a tidier, quieter garage setup, particularly well-suited for attached garages where space and noise genuinely matter. Number 4 is the Genie QuietLift Connect 3053 TKV garage door opener. Genie brings decades of industry experience to this model, and it shows. A belt drive ensures near-silent operation, while the built-in Aladdin Connect Wi-Fi lets you control everything straight from your smartphone. It also integrates seamlessly with both Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. Pre-programmed remotes mean installation is straightforward with minimal hassle. For anyone prioritizing reliability backed by a proven brand, the Genie QuietLift Connect stands as a well-rounded and dependable choice. Number 5 is the Chamberlain B2401 garage door opener. This is the smart choice for anyone who wants modern features without breaking the bank. It runs on a belt drive for whisper-quiet operation and connects to the MyQ app via Wi-Fi, letting you open, close, and monitor your garage remotely. Bluetooth makes setup effortless, and Amazon Key support ensures deliveries are dropped safely inside. Backed by a 10 years motor warranty and 15 years belt warranty, the B2401 delivers exceptional value. And that's a wrap on the best garage door openers of the year. Whether you go smart, quiet, or budget-friendly, there's a perfect opener out there for your home. Don't forget to check all the links in the description box below to grab the best deals. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. See you in the next one.